Welcome to Filmoments tutorials. In this video I will show you how to share Wordle result on Facebook. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. Many players of Wordle share their results on Facebook in this manner. So how do you do that? So just after the game, there will be a pop-up about the game statistics. Then at the bottom, click that share button. Take note of this figure right here. We need it when we share it on Facebook. Now let's go to Facebook. Let's try to share my Wordle result to this group. Create a post. Type in here that figure that I showed you earlier. This color boxes are just emoji from your keyboard. Go to your emoji and search for yellow box, white box and green box. Try to follow the color formation of your Wordle game. So right after you complete all the boxes, you can now then post your result. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.